Hello. Hello. I will be opening 7 mega boxes and 42 star drops. Cause why not? Star drops, I've been getting okay stuff with it. I got a El Primo skin, the king one. Oh my god, that's a lot. I like that. Called profile pic. I haven't played Brawl Stars in like so long. Gems. I want a cool pin. Nice. Our third. 9. That's great. Gems are always the bomb. Dang. Who wouldn't like a good gem? Ooh, not so good. Oh. A cold skin? It's I. I'm not gonna equip it. Oh my god, another skin. Nice. I don't know if I'm gonna equip it. That's great. Our 6th or 5th. Nice. Oh. But it's okay, it's okay. Last one, I think. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay, last one. Oh. And I get nothing. But I'm gonna get to it next. I don't know if I wanna switch or not. Oh, I can't switch to this one, but Lily's okay. Was she always named Lily? No, something suspicious. 69 gems. That's great. I'm not saying that because of the funny number. It's because I got way more gems. Come on. Rare. It's a rare. Come on. Not cool. Not good. No. I like mega boxes a bit more now. No. Ooh. Okay. Legendary. I'm just being too epic. Nani? Legendary. Cause I can. Epic. What do I get? I get Daryl spray. Legendary. I don't know if you guys hear my taps, but legendary. So epic. Collect pin. That's okay. Legendary. Oh my gosh, just give me a mythic. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's good. Mythic. Epic. Mythic. How much have I burned through? 30 right now, I think. Epic. Ooh, Tower skin. I already have Tower. Nah, I think I got a better skin already. Mythic. I think that brought our chances down. Okay. Not that good, but so many power points. And 700 bling. It's good. I'm not complaining. It's good. Wait, I wanna check the Daryl skin first. No, Rico. It was Rico. Oh yeah. I have a better skin. But that's the end of the video. Goodbye. Why did I press that?